From the street to the trail, from farm fields to golf courses, landscaping professionals, and more, a flat tire is always frustrating and never fun. That's why Tech has developed several specialized tire repair kits to get you back up and running fast. Our kits use Tech Permacure insert repairs. Unlike cheap knockoff and low-quality string plugs, Permacure insert repairs are made from natural rubber with a special cushion gum. When combined with Tech's vulcanizing fluid, the cushion gum on Permacure repairs chemically bonds to the tire, creating an airtight seal while also sealing out moisture and other contaminants. The result is a permanent repair that will never leak or dry out and will last the life of the tire. Cheap string repairs can wick up moisture into your tire, causing damage to steel cords and your wheels. That's why our motto is, don't just plug it, Permacure it. Let's demonstrate how to fix a flat using the repairs and tools you'll find in your Tech tire repair kit. The great thing about Permacure insert repairs is that there's no need to remove the tire from the rim. Step 1, you're going to want to locate the puncture and remove the object that caused the puncture using pliers. Next, you'll need to clean up the puncture to remove any torn belts or cords. To do this, use the reaming tool supplied with your Tech tire repair kit. Apply some vulcanizing fluid to the reaming tool and prepare the injury using an in and out motion. Once you've thoroughly cleaned up the injury, leave the reaming tool in the tire to avoid any additional loss of air and to keep the vulcanizing fluid tacky while you prepare the Permacure for installation. Next, carefully remove the blue poly cover from the Permacure. Avoid touching the cushion gum as much as possible. The oils from your skin can reduce the adhesion of the repair insert. Place the Permacure into the eye of the installation tool. You'll notice that our inserts are nylon reinforced, so they're easier to install than ordinary plugs. Apply the vulcanizing fluid to the repair unit directly from the tube or bottle. Remove the reaming tool from the injury and without twisting, firmly push the Permacure into the injury until the installation tool bottoms out. Then remove the installation tool by pulling straight out of the tire. Now simply trim off the excess repair using a knife or cutting tool. That's it! You now have a puncture repair that is permanently bonded to the tire. As mentioned at the top, Tech offers 3 different Permacure tire repair kits depending on your needs. First, our 215 PK passenger tire repair kit includes repairs and tools sized specifically for the types of injuries often seen in passenger tires. The passenger kit includes 50 repairs and is also ideal for light truck, ATV, golf carts, trailers, tubeless motorcycle tires, mowers, and other small to medium-sized tires. Next, our 216 TK truck tire repair kit includes tools and repairs designed for trucks, tractors, and other larger tires and equipment. Finally, our compact Tech Outdoors ATV kit includes 8 Permacure inserts, a tube of vulcanizing fluid, and lightweight tools in a space-saving case that fits in your backpack. Already have the reamer and insert tool? Then choose our Tech Outdoor Permacure refill kit featuring 8 repairs and a replacement tube of vulcanizing fluid. Don't get stranded on the trail. Pack one of these kits on your next ride. It's important to note, while Permacure repairs offer a safe and permanent solution for off-road vehicles, they should only be used as a temporary fix in passenger vehicles traveling at highway speeds. For a safe and proper passenger tire repair, Tech recommends you also have the injury repaired from the inside using a Tech repair unit. Thank you for watching. For more information on these and other Tech products, visit techtirerepairs.com.